Everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica espresso machine. It comes to us with some issues. There was like leak, and it was stuck in a descaling mode. And when I test the machine, I found out it needs a tune-up. So I did a tune-up, and it needs to replace this flow meter in order to make this is the thing, like reading how if it's get descaled or not, or how much water went through the system. So that's broken, so I just replaced it. And when I test them after descaled the machine during the tune-up, I got like this generator start leaking from everywhere, so I needed to upgrade the estimate. Start leaking from everywhere, actually, literally. So it gets broken, and I just replaced it with a new one. So let's go ahead and test it. And yeah, also I just like replaced the water tank. I noticed the other one is not good enough. Maybe it's like I just replaced it with a new water tank. So let's make espresso shot on it. This is a good shot coming out of this machine with some crema. It's not the best beans, I'm just using testing beans in here. So let's test the steamer. Actually the hot water now. Okay, that works perfect. Let's do the steamer. It needs a bit to get hot, but yeah, let's get out the water. There is some water still in the system when we pull the hot water from there.